Okay, so you're looking for a low-mileage pre-owned vehicle. We know you love the Sunset Auto family. Everybody loves the Sunset Auto family. And why not? Warranty, protection for life, and oil changes for life included with every single qualifying vehicle. But boy, oh boy, all those websites. Here we go.
SunsetChev.com, SunsetMotorSumner.com, SunsetKiaAuburn.com, SunsetMitsubishi.com, SunsetTrucks.com, SunsetAutoFamily.com.
Your fingers get tired just thinking about typing in all those websites. When what you really would like is one easy place to shop for all those Sunset pre-owned vehicles. Well, Sunset just made it easy. SunsetUsed.com. Yep, SunsetUsed.com. Just that simple. One easy way to shop for over 300 of those pre-owned vehicles, every single qualifying one of them with warranty, protection for life, and oil changes for life. Oh, and you get transparent pricing, too. And don't let interest rates stop you. Just refinance when the rates go down. Or as we say, marry the rig. Date the rate. You just get more from the Sunset Auto family, and people do like that. SunsetUsed.com.